Therefore, it is, to my opinion, one of the greatest pities of the whole environmental and climate issues that the field is totally dominated by scientists, and that social scientists, historians, and people from related disciplines play just a very minor role in the whole discussion. But this is not the fault of the scientists, this is of course the fault of the social scientists who didn't realize that we are not facing a problem that is up there in the atmosphere, or that is unfolding the consequences in the year 2050 or the 2100, but we have something going on that is definitely marking the functional end of systems like ours, of lifestyles, of economic systems, and things like that. And it's high time that people from disciplines like mine would go investigating what that means. What does it mean? What does climate change mean for the development of new types of violence, for example, caused by mass migrations, caused by degradation of soil, caused by the urge to exploit the last resources and things like this. Processes that are going on in the moment, and natural scientists cannot say anything about that, and this is not their fault, it's not their discipline. But to get an understanding or adequate dimension of what is going on in the moment, we need, of course, knowledge and competences out of the social sciences and the cultural sciences. Also, to have an idea about what can be done, because the solution will not be a technical solution, of course. And it will not be, like the fantasies of technicians and politicians, and so we do some carbon capture and trade, and we do some, we put all the carbon emissions in the ground and whatever, all these Gearloose fantasies. There's a problem and there's a technical solution. And people don't realize, those people don't realize that all the problems we are facing now come out of the technical solutions. Yeah? So we have to think about, in a really strict sense, about changing cultural practices. This is how would I call it, which means changing the way our economies work, changing the way how we use resources, changing the patterns of our mobility, and all these things.